Hi guys, today we're making clay! So first we got some flour. Then we have water, paint, my favorite color, and oil. So first we're gonna add the water. So you see, we have water. Actually, let me get some more water. Okay, we got some more water. Okay, now you can get any color paint you want. So I got apple barrel paint. So if your paint is dry, you can put a little teeny bit of water in it and then shake it up. And if you hear like a ooey gooey slime sound like water or something, then it's paint. So let's do it. Okay. I need a spoon to mix. Okay. So that is way too much. Oh, it's not too much. So we're gonna mix it up. Hopefully this clay recipe works, because if it doesn't work, I did it for nothing. So next we're gonna add the flour. Mix it up. And if it like turns into clay a little bit, then you can use your hands. But if it doesn't, sorry. Oh, it's turning into clay a little bit. Oh guys, it's turning into clay. Guys, did I actually make clay? Wait, let me add the oil. Okay, let's see. Okay, guys, this is turning into clay. Let's add a little more paint so it could be pink. There. Oh my gosh. You might not see that it's pink, but it's pink. Whoa. Guys, I had to show you this. Look. We have clay. It could be slime or anything, but this is clay. Wow, this is clay. I hope you liked this video. Make sure to like, subscribe. I don't know if you could share, but make sure you subscribe. Bye, guys. Clay.